Choosing the right floor for your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. We make it simple and stress-free. At Build Direct, you can order free flooring samples and test them in your home before making a decision. Just go to BuildDirect.com, browse your favorite styles, and click Order Free Sample. It's fast and easy. Your samples arrive quickly, delivered right to your door, so you can see and feel them in your space. Try them out. Scratch the surface, spill some coffee, wipe it up, and see how they really hold up. Compare each one. Pick the floor that looks great, feels right, and fits how your family really lives. Have questions? Talk to a Build Direct expert. Real help from real people, just a call or chat away. Build Direct helps you find the perfect floor, with confidence, without pressure, and always on your terms. Ready to get started? Visit BuildDirect.com or contact our team today. Your new floor is just a step away.
Build Direct, flooring made simple.